Hey friends, this is Mrs. Wolfe from our half-acre homestead, and it has been brought to my attention that not many people out there know about a small book I made called Our Half-Acre Homestead: Recipes, Canning, Dehydrating, and Need-to-Know Stuff. Now, I've had a lot of people tell me that I should write a cookbook, and I keep saying I have, but in reality, this isn't a cookbook. This is like a little homestead home economics book. It gives you the basics on basic cooking, simple syrups, stocks and broths, spice mixes, how to render your lard, how to make soap from that lard, water bath canning, pressure canning. So the next time you tell me to write a cookbook, please have a look at Our Half-Acre Homestead: Recipes, Canning, Dehydrating, and Need-to-Know Stuff. It's so much more than a cookbook. And yes, I'm working on Volume 2.